Good morning to one and all. My name is Avinash, and our project is Miyawaki Forest Automation and Unauthorized Restrictions. Our mentor is Ms. Hati ma'am, and our group members, project group members, myself, Shaifuddin, and Yashwant Shahi. This project is mainly about to develop and design an automated system for monitoring the forest, restricting an unauthorized entry to the forest, checking the water level of the tank and intimation gives to the water board, accident intimation and rain detection. Rapid urbanization, population growth and rural to urban migration, especially in fast developing economies, have resulted in fast decline in forest cover and green space in a large number of urban centers around the world. Immediate and long-lasting steps are needed to check the diminishing green cover in the most of the metropolitan cities of the world. This is an alarming situation and does not bode well for the human health and ecosystem in general. Population is increasing day by day, and hence our natural resources are exhausting day by day. It is our accountability as an individual to help and save our natural resources, and water scarcity is the main model in today's era. The growth of the crop is also stalled since passable amount of water is not given to the crop. A large amount of water is unnecessarily wasted while irrigating the fields due to the water logging. The proposed system used to Internet of Things, image processing, wireless sensor network, which lacks the ability for power management and the presence of tree passes. Here the agriculture sector is burning rapidly, hence a lot of water is needed for irrigation. It is our accountability as an individual to help and save our natural resources, and water scarcity is a main model in today's era. At next, Shai will continue. Shai.
Mike Anji.
And now we are going to propose this project based on automated system, which is used for watering plants, and it utilizes for innovation to identify moisture levels of soil by supply water automatically using IoT sensors, and to provide security for the forest to make our easy work. We are using some biometric technology, and using that authorized persons can enter inside the person information will store in the database as a template by using IoT technology. If fingerprint didn't match means entry access will be declined and the gate will not be open. And that LER sensor is connected with the street lights to observe the intensity of needed in that place. And water level sensor is used to check the water level tank. If it is low means automatically it intimate to require the authority using IoT. And PIA sensor can sense the motion of the human heat, and it will give alert message to a particular office. And this is the block diagram. In this we are using microcontroller and power supply PIA sensor and RFID reader and LDR sensor, some motor drivers and water level sensors. And these are the components we used in this project. And in this we are using a driver circuit, power supply board, and LED and LCD display to show that output and to show messages, alert messages. And PIA sensor, it is used for to detect the human heat and giving the alert message. And this is LDR sensor for light detecting. This is fingerprint sensor, and this is soil moisture to measure the soil water content, and this is water level sensor to measure the how much level water is present in tank, and this is pump motor for using this soil moisture and water level sensor, and this is DC motor for opening gate and closing gate, And this is a RFID reader for authorization of animals. Now Sharif will continue.
First, we have to store the fingerprint in this. Every fingerprint is stored in a unique with a unique ID. We can maximally we can store 256 IDs with this. Next, it will see if your fingerprint is matching or not. If your fingerprint is matching, the doors will automatically turn on and they will open. If you are not an authorized person, the doors will not open. And we can next. We can also use this RFID tags for the daily workers to enter. As you can see, it's showing that motor is running. If you are authorized person, the door is opening. If not, the door will not open. The particular person, you can also give the name of the person if you want. It will show that which person is being entered in the forest, which person is coming out of the forest. You can see that LDR sensors here. If the intensity of light is low, the lights will turn on. If not, the lights will be off. Here we can see that RFID tags are given to the animals, which are, if the animals are moving near the walls of the forest, it will automatically detect that which animal is being present there, and it will detect lion is detected, or if it is tiger will be detected in our system. Next will be the soil erosion, soil moisture level. If the moisture level of the soil goes below some certain point, the motor will turn on and the water will be pumped to the agricultural land or forest. If not, it will not turn on. Next. As you can see, that motor will turn on and the water will flow. Next. Here you can see that we are checking the water level. At initially the water level, how much we are showing. So you can see that initially it will be 0. How much intensity of water is there? It's showing water level 688, and if it's with a certain level, it's showing 435. Like that, how much level is there? That much it will be showing, and if needed, it will turn on that motor, and you can pump the water.
And this is PIS sensor. It will use for detecting the human heat. If any unauthorized persons is going to come inside that forest, means if that particular person is going to come near the wall, means it will give alert message to that forest officer, which will show in a LCD and which will record in IoT. And the examples for that a person is not detected. Here person is detected. Here unauthorized Yashwant is entered through gate, and soil moisture normal. Here water level is low. Like that we will store in IoT using the date and time. By conclusion, to take measures against environmental crisis on the earth from each specialized field, like vegetation, like effect rehabilitate and restore and recreate the green environment of the earth, and rehabilitation and recreation of other temperatures or to tropical forests,